Do you need X-rays after a car accident in Virginia? After a car accident in Virginia, the question of whether you need an X-ray is one that could shape the entire outcome of your injury claim. Not every injury following a Gloucester County crash requires an X-ray, because the right imaging test depends entirely on your symptoms and what type of injury your doctor suspects. X-rays use a small amount of ionizing radiation to create detailed images of structures inside the body, making them highly useful for identifying fractures, joint dislocations, and alignment problems. However, standard X-rays do not show the spinal cord, discs, ligaments, or nerves clearly, which means soft tissue injuries like whiplash, herniated discs, and torn ligaments can go completely undetected. Whiplash involves the muscles and ligaments of the neck, and because these structures don't appear on X-rays, the injury can be real and serious even when early imaging looks entirely normal. When a doctor needs to look for internal bleeding, organ damage, or complex bone injuries quickly, a CT scan is often the faster and more revealing choice. An MRI, while slower, provides high-detail imaging of discs, ligaments, the spinal cord, nerves, and selected brain injuries that neither X-rays nor CT scans can capture with the same clarity. There is no fixed deadline for receiving imaging after a Virginia crash, but you should seek emergency care immediately for severe pain, numbness, confusion, repeated vomiting, or any trouble breathing. Virginia law gives most car accident victims 2 years from the date of the crash to file a personal injury lawsuit under Virginia Code Section 8.01243, though exceptions can alter that deadline. A long, unexplained gap in medical care can give an insurance company reason to dispute both the cause and severity of your injuries, so keeping detailed records of when your symptoms began is critical. If your Virginia auto policy includes medical expense benefits, commonly called MedPay, that coverage may pay reasonable and necessary accident-related medical costs incurred within 3 years of the crash, up to your policy limits. When another driver is at fault, you may also seek compensation for medical expenses, lost income, and pain and suffering, though recovery depends on proof of fault, medical causation, and available insurance coverage. A skilled attorney can review your medical documentation, explain how imaging results may affect your claim, and guide you through every legal step following a Virginia crash. Ken Gibson and John Singleton are Gloucester County injury lawyers who have helped injured people deal with insurance claims and understand their rights after serious accidents. Call GibsonSingleton Virginia Injury Attorneys, a law firm dedicated to injured Virginians, at 804-413-6777, located at 4073 South George Washington Mem Highway, Hayes, Virginia 23072, United States, to schedule your free consultation today.